Hello friends, welcome to my educational channel. Here you are at your pet our care. I am Dr. Sudashani Dasanayaka, consultant veterinary surgeon from Sri Lanka. Hope you enjoy and gain sound knowledge from this presentation. Today we are going to discuss about vitamin B2. Therefore today our topic is vitamin B2 for your pooch. Vitamin B2, also known as lactoflavin, vitamin G, riboflavin, flavin or lactochrome. Vitamin B2 is an essential vitamin for your dog. It is poorly soluble in water. It is a member of vitamin B family. It is odorless, bitter and orange yellow compound. Vitamin B2 sensitive to sunlight or UV light. It is heat stable but not in alkaline solution. It is a natural food colorant. It is readily soluble in dilute basic or strong acidic solutions. Blythe in 1897 isolated lactochrome from milk whey. It is a water-soluble yellow fluorescent substance. Paul Georgi in 1932 revealed that the heat-stable B2 is not a single substance. It is made up of two factors, that is growth promoting factor, later found as riboflavin, and the anti-pellagra factor, later found as vitamin B6. Lactoflavin isolated from milk in 1933 by Richard Kuhn, who lived between 1900 to 1967. It is growth component in B2. Lactoflavin has a similar characteristic to lactochrome. Structure of riboflavin described independently by Richard Kuhn and Paul Carroll between 1934 to 1935. Chemical formula of riboflavin C17H20N4O6. Its molecular mass is around 375.36 gram per mole. Structure of riboflavin, it has flavin part and it combined with ribose-like part. That ribose-like part is derived from ribose 5-phosphate. Natural forms of riboflavins are flavin adenine dinucleotide, that is FAD, flavin mononucleotide, that is FMN, and free riboflavin. However, FAD and FMN are mostly found in the nature and mainly found in animal tissues. Digestion. Protein bound riboflavin converts to riboflavin by proteolytic enzymes in small intestine. However, phosphatase enzymes reacts on FAD and FMN and it converts them to free riboflavin in the small intestine. Free riboflavin absorbed by enterocyte in small intestine. Absorption takes place by active saturable transport system. However, in the enterocyte, again free riboflavin convert to FMN by flavokinase enzyme. FMN enters to portal system. Then again FMN bound with albumin and transport to the liver. In the liver, FMN converts to FAD and transport throughout the body by blood plasma, mainly associate with globulin and small amount associate with albumin. Due to its water solubility, this vitamin, that is free riboflavin, excretes via urine. However, minor amount excreted via feces and sweat. Vitamin B2 acts as an antioxidant, therefore prevents cell damage, aging and wrinkles formation in dogs. Furthermore, it is a component of the FMN and FAD coenzymes and also an essential component of the antioxidant enzyme called glutathione reductase. Functions of vitamin B2 in dogs: it supports carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism, generates ATP, it supports rapid wound healing, supports immune system and helps absorption of vitamin B6 and iron. Vitamin B2 maintains the mucous membranes, maintain the eyes, nerves and muscles healthy, It supports growth, prevents development of cataracts. It helps fetal development and cell reproduction. Due to water solubility, this vitamin cannot stored in the liver. However, highest concentration found in the liver, followed by kidney and heart. Requirement of vitamin B2 for dogs according to NRC 2006 for all life stages of dogs 5.3 milligrams per kg of diet. According to AAFCO 2007 for all classes of dogs 2.2 milligrams per kg of diet. For adult dogs 66.8 microgram per kg body weight according to Klein and others. Causes for vitamin B2 deficiency in dogs: inadequate dietary intake. During cooking under alkaline media, this vitamin may get destroyed, or low content of vitamin in the diet. Malabsorption due to gastrointestinal problems. Disease conditions like diabetes, which leads to polyuria, may lead to remove more vitamin in the urine, and liver diseases, which may cause reduced processing of vitamin B2 in the liver. Most of the time, vitamin B2 deficiency associated with other B complex members deficiency. Signs and symptoms of vitamin B2 deficiency: anorexia, weight loss, weakness, stunted growth, cracks and sores of the mucous membrane, hair loss or dermatitis, dry flaky skin, bilateral corneal opacities, ataxia, finally collapse and death. Vitamin B2 supplements can be found in oral form and injectable forms. Rich sources of vitamin B2 for dogs: milk, yogurt, cheese, salmon, eggs, lean beef and pork, organ meats such as liver, kidney and heart, chicken and spinach. Now we are coming to the end of the presentation. Hope you gain sound knowledge about vitamin B2 and its importance for your dog. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Please leave your comments below. Meet you soon with another valuable episode. Until then, take care. Goodbye.